Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Do you constantly struggle with stubborn yellow stains in your toilet bowl? No matter how hard you scrub, especially around the inner rim, the stains just won't come off. It's like they are glued on. You try every cleaning product, end up choking on strong chemical fumes, and still end up disappointed with the results. But the problem isn't that you didn't scrub hard enough, it's that you are not using the right method. Today, I'm sharing 3 safe, super effective toilet cleaning hacks that will leave your toilet sparkling clean in just few minutes. No bleach required. Best of all, it will stay white and shiny for up to 20 days without re-cleaning. Method 1. The Power Trio: toothpaste, baking soda, and white vinegar. Squeeze toothpaste directly onto the yellow stain inner rim. Sprinkle 1 spoonful of baking soda over it, then pour in half a cup of white vinegar. Once combined, they will start bubbling, and those bubbles are what break down urine stains and mineral buildup. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then give it a gentle scrub. Even the toughest yellow rings will lift right off. It's effective, gentle, and best of all, not harsh on your nose. Method 2. Citric acid and hot water. This is a great option if you are sensitive to smells or have kids or elderly at home. Pour 1 tablespoon of citric acid powder into the toilet. Then add half a cup of hot water. Swirl it around so the sides get coated, and wait 10 to 20 minutes. You will see even the most stubborn stains and rust begin to loosen. A quick scrub is all it takes for a dazzling shine. Plus, this method also deodorizes and kills bacteria naturally and safely. Method 3. Boiled pomelo peel water. This one's totally natural and eco-friendly. Just boil fresh pomelo peels in water until you get a fragrant citrus-infused liquid. While it's still hot, pour it into the toilet. The steam and natural citrus oils helps loosen grime and eliminate odors. Scrub gently, and the stains will vanish, leaving a light, pleasant, fruity scent in your bathroom. This is the safest and most natural method of all, but it does take a bit more time. All 3 methods use no toxic or harsh chemicals, and the ingredients can easily be found in your home or local supermarket. With the right approach, your toilet will not only look clean instantly, it will stay fresh and white for up to 20 days without turning yellow again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. They will thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, learn something new every day and live with more peace of mind. See you next time.